How to use Kodak Kiosk at CVS. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you couples of steps for you to be able to use the Kodak Kiosk at CVS. So the very first thing that you want to do if you approach the kiosk is you'll automatically be redirected into their Kodak Moments or from the Kodak homepage. From there, you should just be able to choose what specific product you would like to be printed out. For example, pictures, calendar, frame, banner. Now, if you choose on one specific product, you will also have to choose on what specific size. Next into that is you're going to be choosing any of the gadgets or device that you're going to be using, say for example, a memory card, a CD or a DVD or a mobile phone. If you're going to be using a mobile device on the next page, you will be asked if you're going to be using Android or Apple. Choose between one of those options there. And the next is to choose if you're going to be using a direct transfer, AirPrint, or via a USB cable. Choose the preferred option that you would like, and then transfer all the photos that you have or you would like to be printed. Select an add it to cart, and then start the payment. And that's it. That's how you use Kodak Kiosk at CVS.